Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Village Charter School here in Trenton, New Jersey, and just a really blessed day. Got to speak to the kindergarten through eighth graders. The topic today was diversity, really trying to appreciate the differences on the inside of all of us, all of our unique qualities and talents and gifts and abilities, but also what's on the outside. You know, people that are born a certain way, might have a physical handicap, but we still choose love and still choose to treat them like we treat our best friends. See them for the heart first before anything else. See them, like the shirt says, as one race, human, that we see everybody as human beings before anything else. And really very moved today by some of the students that just shared some of their hearts with me and some of their stories, how they were bullied in younger grades, but that people stood up for them. And now they're going to choose to give that gift back by trying to stand up for someone else too that might not have a strong voice, or kind of be that voice for the voiceless. And you know, that takes courage, because when you put yourself out there to stand up for someone that's getting bullied or teased or judged or ridiculed or harassed, you might also get bullied or teased and judged yourself. And that takes guts. It takes immense amounts of strength. And why I was very happy to hear that so many are choosing that type of kindness as they go forward in their life. This was the week of respect at the school, and I really think that we hammered home that concept as well. And as they continue that, just remember, you guys are always going to be in my hearts, and continue to share your heart with everyone that you meet and everyone that you talk to going forward, that they see your heart and hopefully it transforms theirs to start showing that same type of compassion and empathy to their brothers and sisters all around this planet. Look forward to seeing you all again soon. Thank you again. Much love. Peace.